day, viewers. This is the generator booster. I want to show you a little practical. Now here in this my office, we use 2000 volt amps inverter. That's 2000 watts inverter, or the one referred to as 2 kVA. So here now, on this 2 kVA now, the lights, I have about 3 fans that are currently working now in the 3 offices, and the lights, everything is on. I'll show you the inverter later in the day. My computer system, my desktop system is on, and here in my hand is a 1000 watt inverter. I'm sorry, 1000 watts dry iron. That's for ironing clothes. So if you plug 1000 watts to this 2000 watt or 2 kVA inverter, you see that's like half of the power of the inverter. I will have about 3 fans, which is about 450 watts, and a computer system which I will show you that is currently on and working now, which is about 400 watts. It's on and working, right? All of this put together, I will still have a 1000 watts iron on it. So let me show you so that you know that this iron is actually on and working, and it's hot as it is now. Iron cloth, and see. So you see it. So the iron is fully functional. You can see the water is getting leaked off the surface. So you see that the iron is hot and is fully operational. And you see there's no longer any water on the surface of the iron. Just once again, so you can see it. So you can see it.
Okay.
That's it as it's boiling. It's leaking off the water.
Can you show the indicator, the iron indicator?
So the iron indicator is fully on. You can see the iron indicator is on. This is a no leg iron, right? You can see the model number. You can confirm it. It is 1000 watts at 230 volts. Okay. So the frequency is 50 by 60 hertz. And with this my generator booster, you can power your iron. You no longer need to fear to off your fan, off everything before you can use an iron. I have the 15 amps. I have the 13 amps of this device. 13 amps of it. And see, this is 13 amps of the device. So let me show you that so that you know that it's working now. It's actually on. Let me show you. Come on. With the device, my desktop computer here is fully functional, and the fan, that's about 2 fans now are working, and the fan in the next office is also on. Okay, you can see the desktop is working fully. It's fully functional. It's fully functional. The other appliances that are on, and yet I have a 1000 watt iron, right? So you can see the second fan, the bulbs, about 2 bulbs, right? Of course, the iron is still working. It's still working. You see? You see? You can see the iron is still fully functional. Let me get the water so I can. Very good. See? Show you that the iron is still working. It's still working. It's tested and trusted. You can see, still working. 1000 watts. It's still working. It's still. The indicator is on. You can see. All right. Thank you. Get your copy now.